Okay, let's continue with the project. Let's continue with this project. And the last part of this project, I was doing the water services, right? So I finished with my hot water going over the door, okay? So I'm going to turn on both systems. So I'm going to go to my visibility and filter, because I filtered it out. So I'm going to turn my vent system and my sanitary system. So as you can see, if I was going to print this out on a PDF, right, then those two systems are being combined. And that's not a good idea. Because what I've done, I've separated out through the levels. There's water on level 2, sanitary on level 2, sanitary on level 3. There's a water plan on level 3 also. So what I'm going to need to do is separate these two systems, the water from the sanitary, because it just doesn't look readable. You know, in this case, you could read it. You know, if you were looking at it, it's possible to read, but I think it can be more clear if we separate them out. And the way to do that is to use what's called this call out. And a call out, let's see what it says. Let's see what it says. A call out creates a rectangular call out in the view. Okay. But it does a little more than that. It allows you to filter out information. Okay, so let's what does this say? I'm already in the mode, so let's go here. Let's go here, and I'm just gonna click here. And what it's done is created a call out here. I'm on the roof plan, but it created a call out 1. And if I hover over this triangular, it's gonna say the call out 1. So I'm gonna go to this P roof, double click, and it's showing me information. Okay, it has the grids, and it has both the systems. Okay, and you can see that it's giving me a way to separate the two systems. And the way I can do that, first, I think I'll put this on a 1/4 inch scale. What's my roof? My roof is on a 1/4 inch now. Can I put this on an 1/8 inch? I'm sure I can, because it was just on the half, right? So that's still a 1/4 inch. You see, so now it's independent of my roof plan. You see, it's independent now, so I can do whatever I want to do. I'm going to continue using the 1/4 inch, and I'm going to turn off. It can either be the water. Let's see what comes first. I think sanitary is going to come first, so I'll turn off the cold and hot water. And we can say OK. So now this is a sanitary system. So what it's done, what I see, and I think you guys can see it too, that the text did not transfer over. So let's see. I think that first, P roof call out, I'm going to rename, let's call it a call out sanitary. I'll keep the call out name, or you can, whatever your office standard is, but just for my purposes, I'm going to say call out SS. Let's go back to the roof plan and do another call out. Let's see, can I copy, duplicate? Okay, I don't think it's gonna do that. Let's see. Well, I'm gonna do it again. There might be a way to, let's do another, let me So what I'm gonna do, let's see, I think, let's go here and let's right click and duplicate view. So if I duplicate view with detailing, will that bring over the text? Nope. But okay, so I can use this. Let's rename this, and let's call this water. That's a copy. Let's call this water. Now, if I want to put this on a sheet, okay, wait, let's go over and filter out the drainage. So I'm going to turn off the drainage and only show, let's see what happens, and only show, if it's a duplicate, then let's see what happens. So this, wait, wait a minute, I did something wrong. Let's go back. Water, this is sanitary, water, here, okay. So let's go here, sanitary. I think that this might work, guys. This might work. Come on. Okay, so if I go back, only what I want to see is just sanitary. I don't want to see hot and cold water, right? So let's see what kind of magic is going to happen. Okay, that's what I want. That's what I want. Now let's go back to the roof, because now this is telling me that, let's go here, because I know what I'm going to do. I'm going to put this on a sheet, okay? And let's see what Revit does. Oh, okay, so there's two of them. You see? There's two of them. They're overlapping, which is good, because it looks like there's only one. So what's going to happen is, let's put these on a sheet. These sheets, level, let's go sheet. Oh, I'm gonna here, go right click, new sheet, and call it roof. Okay, this is my sheet. I'm gonna say, okay, yours is gonna look different than mine, but it's the same process, okay? Same process. I'm getting there in a Pinto, and you might get there in a Cadillac, but we're all going to get there at the same place, right? So it's unnamed. Let's click this. Let's click this. Let's click here. I can go down. Sheet name is going to be unnamed. Let's call it roof plan. And let's go back. Let's go to our callouts. So I'm going to drag both of these guys over. That's sanitary. So you can just drag these over and put them on your sheet. Really nice. Line them up however your office does it. Okay. So this is what's going on. That's the scale. That's the title. And this should be 2 over here. And then on our floor plan, it should say 1 and 2, right? So you see, Revit is nice, ain't it? Man, how could we live without Revit? That's nice. I like that. The only thing about it is, I wonder if there's a way to manipulate these callouts where the 1 is going to say sanitary and 2 will say water. Somehow there should be a way to edit this family so that it can say water and sanitary. But maybe I can look into that and see if there's a way to do that. Where am I? I'm here. So sanitary, SS. So for now, I think maybe I'll just put a text up and notate text and I'll just say SS here, and it's water. Okay, I know this is what we call dumb text. This is dumb text. there's got to be a way to incorporate that into this family. So I'm not going to look at that now. What I wanted to do was go over how we can separate these two. Okay, but for now, whoever's reading this drawing, they know that it's the second view on sheet P106. So we go P106, and the number is down here, okay, and it's here. I think we can change that, yeah, to whatever. You can change it whatever, but what Revit does, it looks at the next number, you see. It brings in the next number. So if I right-click on sheets, the next number is going to be 107. Right-click, new sheet, it's going to be 107. Okay, that's just how Revit does it. So I'm gonna undo that, come back. Let me synchronize this before I do anything else. So I think that I'm gonna, let's close this sheet out. I'm gonna close what I want to go over. I want to bring over my text. So if I let's see, let's close out. I don't like to have too many tabs open. Let's close that out and go to the roof plan. And I'm gonna try something. Let's go here. And I'm gonna copy this to my clipboard. Copy to clipboard. Go to my call out, SS, and paste. Let's see, paste align to current view. Align to current view. Yes. Man, Revit is just full of surprises today. Full of surprises. Let's go back. And let's just get a few of these. Man, there's not many. Let's go here. Let's get this guy. This one. This one. Did I get that? Is it? Yeah, it's here. Okay. Let's go back. I think that's all of the notes. I mean, there's going to be more notes depending on your office, whatever your project manager wants you to put on. And maybe there's another way of creating your call out as well and creating that call out along with the notes. Maybe there's a way to do that. But for now, I'm going to use copy and paste. Copy and paste to current view. So everything looks good. And you can go back and you can erase these two, or you can erase all of this information, which is usually what happens when you do a call out, right? You try to make it what we call a skeleton layout, right? So this would be, so I would not have this text in here, would not have this text in here. So it would be more like, I don't want to erase it. I don't know why I'm paranoid about the fact that I just erased these two, these three, these four, these five, these six. You see, so it gets down to, no, let's leave them there. I think it's okay. But so depending on how your office is, me, I'm a little nervous about erasing those. I'm going to sync again, and I'm nervous for good reason. Okay, so we have that, and here's the second and first views on your sheet. This is the call out, which you can see that Revit created two, but you have to go in after you create the first one. You go in and you duplicate. Go here, come over here, duplicate. Okay, I tried duplicating with details, but that didn't work. I thought duplicating with details would bring over my text. I am surprised that I'm going to try this again. But just view, call out, rectangle. Let's do this one. And it's going to be this call out. Double click. Okay, it's this guy. You see the text is not there. Let's go back. I'm going to but I will be duplicating with detail. Then I could, let's see what happens. Now I can erase the other one. Nope, it's not happening. So, okay, so I'm going to erase this. That was a test to see what's going on. That's fine. And erase, nope. Delete this one, delete that one. Okay, so that's what's going on with the call out. And the reason is because there's two systems just overlapping each other, and it doesn't look pretty, right? It just doesn't look pretty at all. So is the reason, and what we can do is, can we filter? Let's filter. Let's filter, and we can do it like this, we can do it like this, and we can do that. Okay, so we have this, and we can take off or delete this text. We can delete this text, and we can use this reference so that someone would know that on the sheet we can see what's going on in this skeleton, right? The skeleton floor plan. So they will click on here, or they can go to the sheet. They can go to the roof plan, and it's here. Okay, so everything is still there, but you don't have a lot of clutter. And you can tell your the contractor or whoever's reading this drawing, your project manager or whatever, whoever's reading this drawing can know that this is the reference that they can go to see what's going on with this within this parameter or this this floor plan. Okay, all right, I think I'm gonna leave it like this, and you can delete your text. I left it there, or what you can do before you even make the text, you can go to each of your systems and create your text within your call out. I think that might be a call out. What's that? Is that crop view, hide crop region? Okay, so that's what that is. So that's the crop region that was being shown. Okay, so that's what's going on. So it's up to you guys how you want to do it. I just wanted to point out that once all of this gets, the system starts to overlap, you can always separate your systems using a call out, and from there you can put your call out on a sheet, and you can call it, and it comes out whatever you want to call it. Okay, here's your viewport. Okay, and you can edit it however you want to edit. Let me go back. Okay, so I think you can change. You can have to change the name in your project browser. Okay, so there's a lot to do. There's a lot to do within a project, and that's one of the ways that you can have your drawings read without confusion. Okay. Okay, guys, I hope that helped, and I will talk to you guys later.